Sam Zell was born on September 28, 1941, in Chicago, Illinois. His parents were Jewish immigrants from Poland, who had escaped the Nazi invasion by fleeing to Japan and then to the United States. His father, Barek Zielonka, was a successful grain trader in Poland, but had to start over as a jewelry wholesaler in Chicago. His mother, Rukla Zielonka, was a homemaker who raised Sam and his older sister, Leah. Sam Zell showed an entrepreneurial spirit from an early age. He sold Playboy magazines to his classmates when he was in high school. He also worked as a mailroom clerk and a delivery boy for his father's business. He graduated from Highland Park High School in 1959 and enrolled at the University of Michigan, where he majored in political science and law. It was at the University of Michigan that Zell discovered his passion for real estate. He managed a 15-unit apartment building in exchange for free rent and soon started buying and leasing properties to other students. He partnered with his fraternity brother, Robert Lurie, an engineering student who shared his vision and ambition. Together, they won a contract with a large apartment developer in Ann Arbor and expanded their portfolio to over 4,000 units by the time they graduated. Zell earned his bachelor's degree in 1963 and his law degree in 1966 from the University of Michigan. He briefly worked as a lawyer in Ann Arbor, but soon realized that he preferred the real estate business. He sold his interest in the management company to Lurie and moved back to Chicago, where he founded Equity Group Investments in 1968. Lurie joined him a year later and became his lifelong business partner and friend. Zell and Lurie developed a reputation for spotting undervalued and distressed properties and turning them around with creative financing and management strategies. They focused on niche markets that other investors overlooked, such as mobile home parks, office buildings, hotels, railcars, radio stations, and even a baseball team. They also pioneered the concept of real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allowed them to raise capital from public markets and diversify their holdings. By the late 1980s, Zell and Lurie had amassed the largest portfolio of office space, with more than 500 buildings across the country. They also owned Equity Residential, the largest owner of apartments in the U.S. Equity Lifestyle Properties, the largest owner of manufactured home communities in the U.S. And Equity Commonwealth, a diversified REIT with properties in various sectors.